From the very beginning, the Earth was founded in 1922. My dad would have been 11 then, and the very first photos of the Earth show that there were only 2 boys in the first adran. One of them was my dad, Gronwy Jones. There's a photo of him later on wearing a white background badge compared with the other badges that were green, which suggests that he must have been an official of some sort. And there are stories that he tells of the collecting money for using the library rooms, so we think he must have been a treasurer. I don't think he was over involved in singing and recitation on the stage, but he did like going to the Earth, and my mother absolutely loved it. She can remember going to Ceinwen Parry to sing, and she and a friend called Olwyn stayed with an old couple in Llanddulas, and when they went upstairs to go to bed, there was a single and a double bed in the bedroom, and they got into the double bed, my mum and Olwyn, and the lady came up and said, "Oh no, that's my bed," and they had to share the single bed while she had the double bed to herself. So I've been brought up with these stories. I joined the Earth through school, really, when Ysgol Terry opened in 1953. By 1956 we went to Carnarvon, 12 of us, in a folk dancing group and in a PE group, would you believe? And joined the Earth after that in the Allen School as well, and can remember taking part in the pageants in Mould in one of the evening sessions of the Eisteddfod in 1958 there, and just lots of memories really. When we went to Carnarvon, we were supposed to be taken into other people's homes in twos, and when it came to taking Brenda and I, the lady said, "Oh no, I just said one," and she took Brenda, and I was left to go home with one of the ladies who'd been sorting the billeting out, and had a lovely time there. Later than that again, I can remember us having children to stay here with us when our children were small, and also going with our children to Eisteddfod. So it's always been part of our lives. Ours have been on trips to Llanllyn and Llangrannog, and it's always been a part of life in Treuddyn.